Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot. It's brought to you by Trade Stockers and NINZA Pro Traders. 14th of April. It's about 7 o'clock Central Standard Time. Looks like we had an overnight open of around 2076.25 area right in here. We just consolidated sideways. We bounced off a zone from yesterday right around EMA here of 89 until about 1 o'clock. And then we just kind of, which was our overnight high of 2076.50 actually. And then straight down through the EMAs and down into our zones. We just tested it, came right back up, consolidated in this zone just for a couple hours, and then right back up to this 76 area. Now we're just consolidating sideways again, waiting for news this morning around 7:30. Key news this morning: CPI, core CPI, and unemployment claims all at 7:30 Central Standard Time. So let's take a look at targets for the upside, targets to the downside, and possible areas of consolidation. Well, the obvious one today is this area of consolidation between 77 and 71. Big area of consolidation, but we have to wait and see what's going to happen. So let's take a look to the upside first, since we're above the EMAs and above this zone. We'll be looking for a test of this 77 right here, and then possibly a pullback again to test this 76, and then right back up. And then we should move up into probably around this 80 area. We will want to come back down and test this zone again. This is going to be a difficult area to get through today unless the CPI news is really good and unemployment claims are really good. Then we'll pop right up into the 2085 area, which is the next target up. As we scroll down here, we'll look and see next targets after that are going to be the 2090. Look for a pullback up in the 80s, back to this zone of a 2086 area, and then back up into here. Look for this test. We're probably going to drive right through. Market one of these days going to get awful greedy and try to punch up to this 2100 level. So we need to watch for those days and be cautious, and it could happen today with good news. And that's about as high as I think we'll go today is 2098. So after reaching that, look for a move to the downside and look for targets down there appropriate to the zones. As we move to the downside, if we were to get bad news, drive right down into this market, drive all over here to 71, we're going to pop back up and retest this area again, and then come right back down, probably test the double bottom at 2068.50, where our overnight low was right here this morning, and then retest this zone, possibly up into here, and then right back down to this zone right here of 2066, and then down into this big zone, 65 area to 63. Watch for this real close. We get down into this area, 60 area, need to look for a bottom. If it's really, really bad news, we're going to drive right through here, come back up and retest this DTZ, and then we're going to come right down and test this zone of 59 to 57. Bottom today should be no less than 2057. So we should get down to that area. You just start looking to go longs and just sit back and let it go up while you take a couple contracts to the upside. Watch the same moves right back up for this retest. It's going to come back and retest, and then we will go back to the upside today if we play full circle game. So that's what we look for today. If you have any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com and have a great day.